In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a BPMN diagram in draw.io. So you actually have two options. The first one is to click on Arrange up top, hover over Insert, and then down here you can see it says Template. Click on this, and then here just basically type in BPMN, okay? Click on Enter. And here you can see basically there's a template. Now you can click on that and insert that. And as you can see, this is basically what that looks like. But if you are not happy with this, of course, if you are, you can customize everything, click and basically set everything as you wish to have it. And if you're not happy and you would like to start from scratch, what you can do is you can go over here, click on more shapes and look for BPMN over here. So it's going to be in all caps. Let's find it. There we go. Here's BPMN 2.0. You can click on that. You can see what all this offers. And I do think this is the only one right now. So if I'm mistaken, you can go ahead and select the other one as well. And yeah, after you do that, just basically hit the check mark, click on apply. And you can now see it here on the right hand side. You have a bunch of different things. So you have the general, you have your tasks, you have your choreographies, events, gateways, etc. So there's a bunch of things. And then you can just go ahead and drag things onto your board over here, and as you can see, you can just go ahead and craft a BPMN yourself. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.